Question number 1. An apparatus designed to control and organize the output cable to the electric vehicle or to the primary pad. A. Cable system. B. Cable management system. C. Cable controller. D. Electric vehicle cable system. Answer: B. Cable management system. Question number 2. The device used to convert energy from the power grid to a high-frequency output for wireless power transfer. A. Inverter. B. Converter. C. Power charger. D. Charger power converter. Answer: D. Charger power converter. Question number 3. Plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, PHEV, are considered electric vehicles. A. True. B. False. Answer: A. True. Question number 4. Omitting electric vehicle inlet and electric vehicle connector set. A. Electric vehicle coupler. B. Electric vehicle inlet. C. Electric vehicle supply equipment. D. Electric vehicle connector. Answer: A. Electric vehicle coupler. Question number 5. A device external to the electric vehicle that provides power via the contactless coupling and may include the charger power converter. A. Secondary pad. B. Primary pad. C. Power supply pad. D. Storage pad. Answer: B. Primary pad. Question number 6. A truck parking space that has been provided with an electrical system that allows truck operators to connect their vehicles while stopped and to use off-board power sources in order to operate on-board systems, such as air conditioning, heating, and appliances, without any engine idling. A. Truck parking space. B. Electrified truck parking space. C. Electrified parking space. D. Electrified truck parking area. Answer: B. Electrified truck parking space. Question number 7. A trailer or container with integrated cooling or heating, or both, used for the purpose of maintaining the desired environment of temperature-sensitive goods or products. A. Refrigerated vehicle unit. B. Refrigerated vehicle. C. Refrigerated transport vehicle. D. Transport refrigerated unit. Answer: D. Transport refrigerated unit. Question number 8. Truck space branch circuit supply loads shall be considered to be continuous. A. True. B. False. Answer: A. True. Question number 9. Post, pedestal, and raised concrete pad types of electrified truck parking space supply equipment shall be not less than blank above ground. A. 500 mm. B. 600 mm. C. 750 mm. D. 1000 mm. Answer: B. 600 mm. Question number 10. A disconnecting switch or circuit breaker shall be provided to disconnect one or more electrified truck parking space supply equipment sites from a remote location. A. True. B. False. Answer: A. True. Question number 11. Means to prevent strain from being transmitted to the wiring terminals shall be provided. A. Strain relief. B. Strain maintenance. C. Strain reliever. D. Strain support. Answer: A. Strain relief. Question number 12. Conductors that supply one or more arc welders shall be protected by an overcurrent device rated or set at not more than blank % of the conductor ampacity. A. 100%, B. 125%, C. 200%, D. 300%. Answer, C. 200%. Question number 13. Connecting welder secondary circuits to grounded objects can create parallel paths and can cause objectionable current over equipment grounding conductors. A. True, B. False. Answer, A. True. Question number 14. Conductors that supply one or more welders shall be protected by an overcurrent device, rated or set at not more than blank % of the conductor ampacity. A. 100%, B. 125%, C. 200%, D. 300%. Answer, D. 300%. Question number 15. Insulation of conductors, intended for use in the secondary circuit of electric welders, shall be flame retardant. A. True, B. False. Answer, A. True. Question number 16. Installed audio distribution cable that is not terminated at equipment and not identified for future use with a tag. A. Abandoned distribution cable, B. Unidentified distribution cable. C. Abandoned audio distribution cable, D. Unidentified audio cable. Answer, C. Abandoned audio distribution cable. Question number 17. A transformer with a single winding and multiple taps intended for use with an amplifier loudspeaker signal output. A. Audio amplifier, B. Audio auto transformer. C. Audio transformer, D. Preamplifier. Answer, B. Audio auto transformer. Question number 18. Equipment that converts an AC electric signal into an acoustic signal. A. Audio amplifier, B. Loudspeaker. C. Mixer, D. Preamplifier. Answer, B. Loudspeaker. Question number 19. An information technology equipment system that requires continuous operation for reasons of public safety, emergency management, national security, or business continuity. A. Data system, B. Operations data system. C. Critical data system, D. Critical operations data system. Answer, D. Critical operations data system. Question number 20. An electric device and circuit that controls a disconnecting means through a relay or equivalent device. A. Control relay, B. Disconnecting relay. C. Remote control, D. Remote disconnect control. Answer, D. Remote disconnect control. Question number 21. A physically identifiable area, such as barriers or separation by distance within an information technology equipment room, with dedicated power and cooling systems for the information technology equipment or systems. A. Zone, B. Block. C. Range, D. Field. Answer, A. Zone. Question number 22. Prefabricated units, rated 1000 volts or less, consisting of an outer enclosure housing multiple racks or cabinets of information technology equipment, and various support equipment, such as electrical service and distribution equipment, HVAC systems, and the like. A. Data center. B. Modular data center. C. Information technology center. D. Information data center. Answer B. Modular data center. Question number 23. Utility-owned distribution transformers shall be permitted in a modular data center. A. True. B. False. Answer B. False. Question number 24. For sensitive electronic circuit, the voltage drop on any branch circuit shall not exceed blank percent. A. 1.5%. B. 2%. C. 2.5%. D. 3%. Answer A. 1.5%. Question number 25. A musical instrument that imitates the sound of a pipe organ by producing sound electronically. A. Pipe organ. B. Electronic pipe. C. Electronic organ. D. Electronic apparatus. Answer C. Electronic organ. Question number 26. X-ray equipment mounted on a permanent base with wheels and or casters for moving while completely assembled. A. Portable. B. Transportable. C. Mobile. D. Assembled X-ray equipment. Answer C. Mobile. Question number 27. For X-ray equipment, the ampacity of supply branch circuit conductors and the overcurrent protective devices shall not be less than 50% of the momentary rating or 100% of the long-time rating, whichever is greater. A. True. B. False. Answer A. True. Question number 28. All radiographic and fluoroscopic type equipment shall be effectively enclosed or shall have interlocks that de-energize the equipment automatically to prevent ready access to live current carrying parts. A. True. B. False. Answer A. True. Question number 29. The device used to transfer energy between the output circuit and the object or mask to be heated. A. Applicator. B. Converting device. C. Heating device. D. Output device. Answer A. Applicator. Question number 30. Heating of a nominally insulating material due to its own dielectric losses when the material is placed in a varying electric field. A. Induction heating. B. Dielectric heating. C. Dielectric melting. D. Dielectric welding. Answer B. Dielectric heating. Question number 31. Heating equipment shall not be installed in hazardous classified locations unless the equipment and wiring are designed and approved for the hazardous classified locations. A. True. B. False. Answer A. True. Question number 32. An assembly of electrically interconnected electrolytic cells supplied by a source of direct current power. A. Battery. B. Cell assembly. C. Cell line. D. Electrolytic line. Answer C. Cell line. Question number 33. A tank, or vat, in which an electrochemical reactions are caused by applying electric energy for the purpose of refining or producing usable materials. A. Battery. B. Cell assembly. C. Cell line. D. Electrolytic cell. Answer D. Electrolytic cell. Question number 34. Cell line conductors shall be joined by bolted, welded, clamped, or compression connectors. A. True. B. False. Answer A. True. Question number 35. All metal enclosures of power supply apparatus for the direct current cell line process operating with a power supply over blank volts shall be grounded. A. 30 volts. B. 50 volts. C. 60 volts. D. 40 volts. Answer B. 50 volts. Question number 36. Alternating current systems supplying fixed and portable electrical equipment within the cell line working zone shall be required to be grounded. A. True. B. False. Answer B. False. Question number 37. Circuit protection shall not be required for control and instrumentation that are totally within the cell line working zone. A. True. B. False. Answer A. True. Question number 38. Bonding of fixed electrical equipment to the energized conductive surfaces of the cell line, its attachments, or auxiliaries, shall be permitted. A. True. B. False. Answer A. True. Question number 39. A power-driven machine, or a group of machines working together in a coordinated manner, not portable by hand while working, that is used to process material, by cutting, forming, pressure, electrical, thermal, or optical techniques, lamination, or a combination of these processes. A. Power machinery. B. Electrical machinery. C. Industrial machinery. D. Industrial plant. Answer C. Industrial machinery. Question number 40. Industrial machinery shall not be installed where the available short-circuit current exceeds its short-circuit current rating. A. True. B. False. Answer A. True. Question number 41. An electrically driven or controlled machine with one or more motors, not hand-portable, and used primarily to transport and distribute water for agricultural purposes. A. Agricultural machine. B. Irrigation machine. C. Irrigation electric equipment. D. Agricultural electric equipment. Answer B. Irrigation machine. Question number 42. A luminaire, intended for installation above or below the water, without a niche. A. Dry luminaire. B. Dry niche luminaire. C. No niche luminaire. D. Wet niche. Answer C. No niche luminaire. Question number 43. Equipment that is not moved from one place to another in normal use. A. Stationary. B. Immobilized. C. Motionless. D. Permanent. Answer A. Stationary. Question number 44. For other than storable pools, the flexible cord shall not exceed blank in length. A. 500 millimeters. B. 600 millimeters. C. 800 millimeters. D. 900 millimeters. Answer D. 900 millimeters. Question number 45. Communications, radio, and television coaxial cables shall be permitted at a height of not less than blank above swimming and wading pools, diving structures, and observation stands, towers, or platforms. A. 1,500 millimeters, B. 1,800 millimeters, C. 2,500 millimeters, D. 3,000 millimeters. Answer, D. 3,000 millimeters. Question number 46. All electric pool water heaters shall have the heating elements subdivided into loads not exceeding blank amperes. A. 30 amperes, B. 45 amperes, C. 48 amperes, D. 50 amperes. Answer, C. 48 amperes. Question number 47. Electrical equipment shall not be installed in rooms or pits that do not have drainage that prevents water accumulation during normal operation or filter maintenance. A. True, B. False. Answer, A. True. Question number 48. Receptacles that provide power for water pump motors or for other loads directly related to the circulation and sanitation system shall be located at least blank from the inside walls of the pool. A. 1,500 millimeters, B. 1,700 millimeters, C. 1,800 millimeters, D. 2,000 millimeters. Answer, C. 1,800 millimeters. Question number 49. Switching devices shall be located at least blank horizontally from the inside walls of a pool, unless separated from the pool by a solid fence, wall, or other permanent barrier. A. 1,500 millimeters, B. 1,700 millimeters, C. 1,800 millimeters, D. 2,000 millimeters. Answer, A. 1,500 millimeters. Question number 50. Other outlets shall be not less than blank from the inside walls of the pool. A. 1,500 millimeters, B. 2,000 millimeters, C. 2,500 millimeters, D. 3,000 millimeters. Answer, D. 3,000 millimeters.